Tawakkal lawn with beautiful designs and prints. It's printed collection. One catalog has 10 beautiful printed suits with cotton top, bottoms and mull dupatta. Very good quality in the range with awesome colors and prints, as you can see. 10 different designs and beautiful shades used, color combination and print you can see in each suit. Tawakkal Opulence printed catalog. One set has 10 different designs with different shades, different colors, awesome fabrics, standard material like all printed suits, awesome fabric and beautiful designs. Just look at it. Really very pretty. All suits are beautiful.